It's all about the patient experience, and that starts from the time we make contact with them until I call them the day after their surgery. The most rewarding thing for me as an oral surgeon is seeing the before and after, whether it's as simple as replacing one tooth or transforming a whole smile, just seeing how that changes their life. And that's what we're all about. I love working with my office staff. We're a family here. It shows in the work we perform. I want them to feel comfortable, at ease. I want them to feel confident that they're going to receive the best oral surgery care possible. Often when I call patients the day after, they explain to me how amazing the experience was. I've had jaw surgery patients who have told me, "You have changed my life." I feel just honored to be part of that. We're proud to be part of the process and are excited for our patients. I have a passion for oral surgery and I love serving the Kalispell community.